Welcome to Kumara Bhavanam Learning. We are going to learn about knowing numbers. This is the first chapter in grade 6, that is the NCERT board. This is also useful for the grade 4, 5 also. This is the part 1. I will be keep posting for the next this knowing numbers in part 2 and part 3 also. Okay, let's start with the numbers. What is meant by natural numbers? Natural numbers starts from 1 and goes on, that is till infinity, excluding 0. How the number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it goes on. Okay, these are natural numbers. What is meant by whole number? Natural number including 0 is called whole number. That is, the number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this. Keep on going till infinity. These are whole numbers. So, natural number starts from 1, 2, 3. Whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. The difference is the whole number 0 is included. That's all. Next, comparing numbers means what? Compare the given numbers and find which is the greatest and smallest number. I have taken an example. In this example, see, all the digits are different. First I have 3 digit, 4 digit, 2 digit, 1 digit and 5 digit numbers. So, which is the greatest number? You already know that. This is the 5 digit number is the greatest number and smallest number is 1 digit number is the smallest number. Okay, if digits are different means you can easily write greatest number and smallest number. If digits are same, you have to go for first digit of the all the numbers. So in this example, you see, I have taken all the digits are same. So you first have to see the first digits of the all the numbers. So the greatest number is 879 and the smallest number is 345. So the digits are same means you have to go for first digits which is greater and which is the smallest. Okay, clear? Okay, smallest 1 digit means what? 1. Smallest 2 digit number 1 0. Smallest 3 digit number 1 0 0. Smallest 4 digit number 1 0 0 0. So the smallest number starts from 1 and the remaining digits are 0 0 only you want to replace. You should not put any other numbers. 1 only is the only number, then remaining digits are 0 for the smallest numbers. Okay, if you write smallest 5 digit number also, you would write the first number is 1 and remaining is 0. Okay, here greatest 1 digit number is 9, greatest 2 digit number is 99, greatest 3 digit number is 999, the greatest 4 digit number is you have to write 4 times 99. Then greatest 5 digit also you have to write 5 times 99. So the greatest number always you will get starts from 9. The remaining digits also 9 only. Okay, for smallest digit you will start from 1 and the remaining digit is 0. But for greatest all the digits will be 9 only. Okay, don't confuse it. Okay, the number should not start with 0. Okay, here the example is first I started with 0 0 0 in the front of 56. So if a zeros comes before the 56, that is not considered as a digits. Okay, so this it is only a 2 digit number, that is 56. Suppose I have returned that 56 after the 3 zeros. Okay, 56, the zeros are coming back of the 56. That is how you read this, 56,000. It is a 5 digit number because zeros are written after the digits 5 and 6. So the number should start with any number other than zeros. Then only it will consider as a how many digits number. 5 digit number or 3 digit. If it starts with 0, it is not considered as a digit. Okay, here greatest 5 digit number plus 1, we get smallest 6 digit number. Okay, here you see first one example is I have taken any 5 digit, greatest 5 digit number 99,999 plus 1, we will get how much? 1 lakh. Next one 2, 99 plus 1, 100. 999 plus 1, you get 1000. So if you add any greatest digit number plus 1, we get smallest digit numbers. Okay, clear it with that. So suppose you take smallest 3 digit number, here you want to minus 1. If you take smallest digit means you want to minus, we get greatest 2 digit number. So 100 minus 1, 99. 1000 minus 1, 999. 10,000 minus 1, you will get 999,999. So if we reduce the smallest digit numbers, we will get greatest. If we increase the greatest into by 1, we will get the smallest. We try it with other digits also, with smallest 4 digit, 7 digit, 6 digit, 8 digit, like this. You will get the greatest number. Okay, adding 1 to greatest 5 digit number, we get smallest 6 digit number. That smallest 6 digit number is 1 lakh. If you add 1 to the greatest 6 digit number, you get smallest 7 digit number, that is 10 lakh. Adding 1 to greatest 7 digit number, you will get smallest 8 digit number, that is 1 crore. Okay. If you add the greatest number by 1, you will get always the smallest number, smallest digit numbers. If you take any one, you will get like that only. Please check it out, try it. Okay, then next we will see use of commas. Okay, in Indian system of numeration, how will use the commas? So starts from the right side, ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, then lakh, 10 lakh, comma, then 3. Okay, that is crore, 10 crore. That is, will we keep going for Indian system of numeration. In first example, what I have written is, then number name is 3 crore 45 lakhs 67,892. In the second example also, 5 lakhs 64,321. So for Indian system of numeration, it will go by first 3 digits, then 2 digits, 2 digits, like this. We want to put the commas. But for the international system, we will go by 3 digits. Let us see the international system of numeration. Okay. See, in this international system of numeration, first 3 digits from the right side only you have to place the places. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, then million, 10 million, like this, keep going. So what is the first one? 78,923,671. In the second example also, I see 3 digits. 346,729,612. So in international system of numerations, you have to put 3 digits, then you have to put commas. Okay. For Indian system, 2 digits, first 3 digits, then 2 digits. But for international system, all 3 digits you have to put the commas. So in this, what 100 is equal to how much? If I want to write 100 in terms of tens, means 10 tens. In 1000 means 10 hundreds in terms of hundreds. In terms of tens means 100 tens. 1 lakh is equal to how I express thousands, 100 thousands. 1 lakh can be written in hundreds. How much? 1000 hundreds. 1 crore is equal to how many lakhs? 100 lakhs. 1 crore is equal to how many thousands? 10,000 thousands. Okay. This is the, you know how to write about this one. In terms of lakh is expressed in thousands and hundreds. Crores in expressed. Okay. See, in this picture, first one, 100 is equal to how much I have taken? Write that 100. Then I put the underline. So first from the back side, you write ones, tens. 100 you should not write, because the value should be expressed in tens. So for 100 is equal to 10 tens. See, in the next picture, 1000 is equal to, I have written that ones, tens, 100,000. So you should return in hundreds. Okay, 1000 is expressed in hundreds, means what you have to tell? You want to write only 100. So ones, tens, hundreds. So underlined, how much it is there? There is 10. Therefore 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. See, then one more picture, 1000 is equal to same. I should write it in tens. So I have to come place till tens only. Ones, tens. How, what they express means that much only I have to write the places. Ones, tens. So how many tens are there? 100 tens. Okay, don't get confusion. How, what 100 is expressed in tens means till tens you have to place the place that places. Ones, tens, like that. Okay. For thousands means tens, hundreds means hundreds, till hundreds place you have to write. Remaining you want to take it as a whole, then how much that will come, you have to write it as. Okay. Are you clear with this? Okay. And see how to lakh expressed in hundreds. 1 lakh I have written. ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. What I want to express it in hundreds. So write the places till hundreds, don't write till lakh. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. I have stopped. Then remaining zeros, 1 is there na, you put an underline. That full remaining values you should write it as a hundreds. Therefore, how many hundreds? 1000 hundreds. See in the next picture, 1 lakh should be expressed in thousands. So the places should come till 1000. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. How many thousands are there? 100,000. So 1 lakh should be expressed as 100,000. If we expressed in hundreds means 1 lakh is expressed in 1000 hundreds. You try it with other thing, other also with a crore. Return it and see for crore also. You will get this answer. Form greatest and smallest numbers without repetition using the given digits. So some digits are given. The digit should not be come again. Okay, that is the, you should not repeat it. So what is the greatest number? Which is the greatest number in this? 9 is the first greatest number. So you write it 9. The next greatest is 8. The next greatest is 7. Then the remaining number is 3. For 9,873 is the greatest number. What is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number in this? 3. The next smallest is 7. Then 8. Then 9. So the smallest number is 3,789. So okay, like this you want to form it. Okay, next one is given 4725. Which is the greatest number? 7 is the greatest here. So first write 7, then 5, then 4, then 2. Therefore 7,542 is the greatest number. So smallest number is just reverse of greatest number. 2, 4, 5, 7. Just you can also reverse it. That's all, easy only. If you write the reverse order, you will get the smallest number. So here you see, make greatest and smallest 4-digit number using the conditions given below. What is the condition here? Digit 5 is at tens place. What that means what? Whatever you can number, you can write it in other places, but the digit 5 should be come in the tens place. So the greatest number is, first you start with the 9, 8, 5 is in the tens place. So I written 5, then 7. Whatever you can write, 3, 4, like that you can write, no problem. Smallest number is 1050. Like you can write like this, or 1151, like also you can write it. See here, what is the condition? Digit 8 is at hundreds place. It is greatest number is what? 8 should come in the greatest place. So 9, 8, 7, 6 or 3, 6, 5, 6, 2, 3, something you can write. That is all greatest number only. But the number should start with a 9. Smallest number is 1802. The 8 is in the hundreds place. Also you can write 1800 or 1811. Like this you can try many other ways, but the 8 should be in the hundreds place. You should not write in the others place. Okay. What is the condition here? 8 is at ones place. So the 8 should be in the last. Okay. Ones place. Therefore greatest number is, I have taken 9978. Also you can write 99998 or 99948, 9978, like this you can write. Smallest number is 1018 or 1008 or 1118. Like this you can try it. 1218. You can write any other way, smallest and greatest number, but it should start with 9. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.